Create, edit, and deliver with Sonic Foundry.
Berthaloo, Berthaloo, let me slip around with you. If I could raise some sand, I'd be a mighty, mighty man. 'Cause you're so cool, Berthaloo, Berthaloo, Berthaloo. Gotta get a date with you. If I could hear you call, Mr. Basketball, ain't no telling what I'd do, Berthaloo. You wear your hair in a poodle cut and walking down the street like a silver buck. But everybody knows that you're so sweet. You tickle me from head to my athlete feet. Hey, hey, Berthaloo, I wanna conjugate with you. You know my blood is running wild, and I know you ain't no child. When you do what you do, Berthaloo. Down the street like a silver pup, but everybody knows that you're so sweet. You tickle me from head to my athlete feet. Hey, hey, Berthaloo, I wanna conjugate with you. You know my blood is running wild, and I know you ain't no child. When you do what you do, Berthaloo.
When I do, no one will cry. Ooh, man, that won't hurt me. Well, I cranked it up, put on the gas. If you mess with me, I drop you fast. Ooh, man, you can't catch me. In my body's aching with desire. Well, I ran a light and I looked behind. Here come a cop doing 99. Ooh, but he can't catch me. Tight blue jeans, big black boots, greasy hair, dirty look. Ooh, man, don't mess with me. desire.
The way I walk is just the way I walk. The way I talk is just the way I talk. The way I smile is just the way I smile. Touch me, baby, and I go home wild. The way I love is just the way I love. Come on and be my little turtle dove. Touch me, baby, it feels so good. I feel as though I wanna, then I don't know if I should. The way you love me got to suit my style. Oh, little baby, I will say goodbye. Love me, baby, love me right. Love me morning, noon, and night. Well, they call my baby Patty, but her real name is Little Lou. Yeah, well, they call my baby Patty, but her real name is Little Lou. She's so fine, very pretty, you'll never know what my baby's gonna do. Little Lou, when she goes rolling down the street on a cat, turn to look around. Every woman's eye, you never know what my baby put down. All my friends always tell me I got the cutest little girl in town. Well, I'm gonna marry that girl next Saturday night. Take her home for the rest of my life. From now on, my roaming days are through, and it's all because of that chick. A little Lou, what are you gonna do? I had a real bad dream last night. You said that we were through. Well, if you ever leave, you're gonna break my poor heart in two. toodaloo. Yeah, yeah.